Hi guys, please copy down the population standard deviation formula. Now this is actually a shorter formula than one that is most commonly used, but this is a population standard deviation given that you have S, which is our sample standard deviation, and the number of terms used to calculate this standard deviation. So this is our Greek lowercase symbol sigma. I also wanted to define mu here to be the population mean. So you will see these two symbols whenever we are dealing with the population, and we'll see S and X bar when we're dealing with the sample size. So here below, we're going to look at doing the same exact problem we did previously, example 1, but now I'm going to do it on a calculator. So I'm going to put all of my data into statistics, and then I'm going to do calculation, one variable stats. So in order to put my data in my calculator, I'm going to click Stat, Edit, and I typed in 2, 3, 3, 8, 10, 10. So now I'm going to click Stat, go over to Calc. You see number 1 is one variable statistics, which is what we're looking for. My list should be L1. If it's not in L1, you can change it to say any of the other lists. And you see those lists are here in blue, L1, L2, L3, L4, L5, L6. So now if I press enter, 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 here is my mean, sample mean. And then they also give us our sample standard deviation, which was 3.74. And then let's check and make sure that our population standard deviation is supposed to be 3.41. So let's check. So I know from our previous problem that these two are correct. We calculated those by hand. So I'm going to check to make sure that my population mean is 3.41, checking this formula. So my population mean equals my sample standard deviation multiplied by the number of terms minus 1 over the number of terms. So let's plug this into my calculator and double check. So I'm doing 3.74 multiplied by the square root of 5/6. And we get the same number, 3.41. Now remember, we're just learning how to calculate these. We'll connect this to an application in a future example.